Recording no moment they okay they.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mukiman Bhatto from University Campus Larkana, Department Computer Science. Video presentation submitted to the Madam Chad Batul, roll number 39. Topics: Public speaking, types and kinds of sentences, summary and paragraph writing, spelling and spelling. Public speaking. Public speaking, the process of speaking to the group, to the people in a structured, declared manners, instead of the informed, the influence, and the entertain the listener. Public speaking has several components to data and place. Such a things motivate speaking, leadership, personal development, business, customer service, legal group, communication, and mass communication. Speaking skills. Speaking is the natural mood of explanation, language, manners, our speech change with the change in the audience, with the speaking situation, the matters and manners of the both change in one speech activity and another speech activity. Speech is not all the verbal activity. Public speaking. Public speaking. Speech. I am informed, and this is a speech service that provides interesting and new and useful information to the audience. Some example of the informative speaking. Second, domination experiment that has a main similarity with the information speech. That a domination speech also teach you something. The main difference including the domination, how to do the things you are teaching. Persuasion. The persuasion is speaking to work the convince people to change in the way you think, the way you do, the way you start. Something that the interview currently doing, entertainment. After the dinner speech is a typical example of entertaining speech. The speakers provide the pleasure of enjoyment and make the audience laugh to identify the additional information. The organization key speech, purpose of the speech to compose a good speech in the intentional ability to know the purpose. Known as the speech analysis has our basics purpose to the inform to the pursuit to increase to internet. Public speaking. Audience research. Every communication must be informed to the style and suit with the audience enhancing to the insight. These are some more important factors to be considered: age factor, psycho factor, educational background, economics background, explanation of the audience, preparation of the text speech. In the preparation text of the speech, there are the current factors to be content, like the objective of speech. The text should be have a certificate of the objectives. After preparing the text, we should check the whether it's met the objective or not. Language and style. The style of the oral communication is different from the style of the written communication. The language, the following text should be considered to the speakers. Avoid difficult words can be creating confusion. Using a technical term, using a social and word, repeating. And take a good beginning. It gives the attention of the audience. It establishes the purpose of the audience. This earn the trust and belief of the audience in the speakers. It gives the period of the main body, the generator, the fields of the signification of the speak to the audience. Screen the first impression of the speech is the effect the smooth transition of the audience toward the half like you see, you know, etc. Public speech. Questioning answers. The publication must end with the inverted questioning answer. The audience should have certified with the answers given to the respective question. The answer must be set in a way they can give a better idea to how to understand. Personality and body language. The aspect of the use of a body language with the body weight equally the balance on the footpath. Avoid too much walking around. Getting the facial inspiration would always accompany physical appearance should be suitable for the occasion and the condition necessary to have a good personality. Types and kinds of sentences. Types and kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: declarative, imperative, accelerator. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement its end with a period of these kind of sentences provide the information about anything. Example: this project was super easy. Today is Friday. My favorite color is black. My name is Rana. Also, an sentence. An sentence asks a question is end with a question mark, i.e. like. Question mark. Example: do you like preparing pizza? Do you have a sin umbrella? Who's the teacher? What are you doing? Exclamation sentence. The exclamation sentence shows the strong feeling ends with the exclamation point. Example: I can't figure this out. I just won the lottery. Oh, I didn't see you come in. Oh wow, that's great news. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence give a command at the end with the period. Example: go to your room. Throw the ball. Bob, please close the door. Pick and the gun and shoot him. Types of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. Simple sentence. Simple sentences are composed to the independent causes. Example: I am proud to be a Philippine Christian. Many people are English. Other can be proud of the woman, a Philippine domestic helper. One Israel's X factor. Types and kinds of the compound sentence. Compound sentences are composed of two or more independent causes. The causes are joined by the condition and condition for, and, nor, so, but, or, yet. Compound sentence example. Augusta, the national flower of the Philippines, and the mango is the national fruit. Jessica says I reached the finals of the America Idol, but she didn't win the competition. Complex sentence. Complex sentences are composed of the two of the independent clauses or the two of the more dependent clauses. The clauses are the joined with the surrounded with the junctions. Conjunction are because that when who are they there before although they are even there since complex sentence. Example: Gerbert Meno, whose grandfather is German Mero, won a gold medal in the recently brought with the Olympics. Since Galaxy Philippines joined the FBI World Cup Challenge, Philippine basketball has been represented by the whole world. Summary and paragraph writing. What is summary? Summary is a short passage which is written the information of the author. It is a fairly brief statement in the own words of the content of the passage. Note: you are simply report back when the right has said without making a value judge. Objective: give an opportunity to define a summary. Know the correction of good summary, learn the technique in summary writing, learn the step in summary writing, practice. Summary writing. How to write a summary. The important summary writing necessary element for a good summary. Proper content, title, author, resource, data, publication and text. General artist. These are the topic of the general subject. Matters of the text. The author of the major comments and the positive of the topics. Supporting ideas, major supporting ideas, relationship among these ideas, no specification. The author of purpose in writing, no purpose in opinion, ideas, inference. Types of paragraph. Description. Description types of means the entertainment that says about the subject looks like a sound and feel, taste and or smell like a using word naturation of interpretation means kinetic taste story. Types of paragraph. Information. Implementing. In the implemented paragraph mean of the two information they provide information about the extent the subjects or it's given the steps how to do something. A passive paragraph mean of the person is provide the way of the feeling. What is paragraph? A paragraph contains one or the more sentence decision in single thoughts. For example, a literature class, the paragraph must be always be 5 same sentence. A paragraph should be never have more than one idea. The sentence must be related to the main idea. Skimming and scanning. Skimming and scanning are the reading techniques that repeat the aiming eye movement, the keywords move quickly through the text for the cycling different proper skimming reading repeatedly the reading the order to find the specific facts. So while the spelling test is the general information, when the section of the spelling helps you to locate a particular aspects and when the spelling have a save time. Spelling can save you hours of the labor reading, however is not always the most appreciated way to read. It's very useful to prevent having more detailed reading when the preview of the section heavy in the student. But when you skim, you may miss important points of the overall book. Final hiding meaning which right reading performs even a study of reading may be necessary using spelling overview or the textbook text to review it for test is using spelling to decide if you need to read something. For example, during the primary research of the paper. Scanning. Read the table of content or chapter of a review to learn the main division of the rating analysis. Read the titles of the tables, read the introduction paragraph, the first and the last sentence only the which is following the paragraph. Each paragraph read only the one first of few words sentence of the liquid and the main idea of the stop and quickly read the sentence containing the keywords in the multiple and the event that you think you find the something. Secondly, stop to read the internet sentence to make sure then you go to the same register the impression of the two. Stop the details. You don't need read chapters of summaries when you provide. Thank you.